Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a web scraping tool with Beautiful Soup, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by introducing the concept of web scraping. Web scraping allows you to extract data from websites for analysis or use in other applications. Beautiful Soup is a Python library that makes it easy to scrape and parse HTML and XML documents. First, ensure you have Python installed on your system. Visit the official Python website to download and install the latest version. Next, open your command line interface or terminal. Install Beautiful Soup by using the command pip install Beautiful Soup 4. Also, install the requests library using pip install requests. Create a new Python file in your preferred text editor or IDE. Start by importing the necessary libraries at the top of your script. Include import requests and from BS4 import Beautiful Soup. Next, select a website you want to scrape data from. Make sure to check the website's terms of service before proceeding. Use the requests library to fetch the web page. Assign the URL of the chosen website to a variable. Then, use the requests.get method to retrieve the page content. Store the response in a variable, for example, response. Check if the request was successful by evaluating the response object's status code. Proceed if the status code is 200, indicating a successful request. Now, parse the HTML content using Beautiful Soup. Create a Beautiful Soup object by passing the response content and the parser type. For this, use soup equals Beautiful Soup response.content html.parser. Next, identify the data you want to scrape from the web page. Inspect the web page source code using your browser's developer tools. Locate the HTML elements containing the data you're interested in. Use methods like find_all, or select to extract these elements. You may loop through multiple elements if necessary. For example, use soup.find_all, tag_name, to retrieve all instances of a specific tag. Access attributes of elements, such as text or ref links, and store them in a list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.